From now on, I only make spaghetti if it's like this. Start by placing 1.5 kilos of ground beef on a sheet of aluminum foil. Next, shape it by making a hole in its center, just like this. Now, place 200 grams of spaghetti in this hole, 200 grams of tomato sauce, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese chopped into discs, basil leaves to taste, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and close it by covering all this filling with the meat. Once you've done that, drizzle 100 grams of barbecue sauce all over it and spread it using a brush. Season it with 2 tablespoons of beef seasoning, black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of salt. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Cover all this meat with 200 grams of bacon slices. Finally, wrap all of it in the aluminum foil. Transfer to a large baking sheet, take it to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. But keep an eye out. Baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.